How to set up Sky Max Pod. Connecting the Sky Max Pod. For the best experience, connect the Sky Max Pod to your TV and router using an Ethernet cable. If Wi-Fi is your only option, place the pod within range of a strong signal to avoid lag. Improving connectivity. If you experience weak Wi-Fi, consider using a mesh system or additional access points. Running Cat6 cables for wired connections can further improve stability and speed. Alternatives and enhancements. If the Sky Max Pod feels slow, devices like Google Chromecast with Android TV may offer a smoother experience. Keep your Sky apps updated to avoid software issues. User experience. Some users report laggy menus. A stable internet connection can help, but if performance remains an issue, explore alternative streaming options. That's it. Thanks for watching.